How to fix the fingerprint not showing in settings or the fingerprint option is missing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having these troubles on your Android settings, it could be because of software glitches or minor hardware problems. To check for the hardware issues, you just have to go to device settings, scroll down to the bottom to find about phone. Then after, search for kernel version, which is inside software information or sometimes in the previous page. Tap on it multiple times and then scroll down to fingerprint sensor test. Remove your device password and enroll your fingerprint. However, if this test fails, it indicates a potential hardware issue on your device. Moving on to the next process, head over to the previous page. Then after, search for apps and then tap on manage applications. Once you have tapped on it, tap on See All Applications or Services. Search for the fingerprint services and then clear the cache and data for both fingerprint related services. Once you have done so, reboot the phone and then re enable fingerprint. To do so, head over to Security on your device. Tap on the fingerprint and then follow the on screen prompts, which includes giving your security code and then adding a fingerprint or deleting the existing one. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.